Welcome back to Dreamscape Designs, where we turn small spaces into stylish sanctuaries. Today, we're diving deep into the art of compact and chic urban apartment styling. In this video, we'll share clever design tips, trendy decor ideas, and space-saving hacks that will make your apartment not just livable, but absolutely lovable. So, let's jump right in and discover how you can transform your space into a chic urban retreat. All right, let's kick things off by talking about the foundation of any great design: understanding your space. In urban apartments, every square foot is valuable real estate. Start by assessing your layout and identifying key areas that could use a little love. Is your living room too cramped? Does your kitchen feel cluttered? Once you've pinpointed these trouble spots, you can begin planning how to maximize functionality without sacrificing that chic vibe. A well-thought-out space can feel much larger and more welcoming than its actual size, so think strategically. Now, onto one of the most impactful elements of any room, the color palette. In compact apartments, color is your secret weapon. Light, neutral shades like soft whites, airy grays, and gentle pastels can make even the smallest of spaces feel open and breezy. But don't be afraid to add a splash of personality. A bold accent wall or vibrant decor pieces can energize your apartment, making it feel unique and lively. The key is balance. Mix those bold hues with lighter tones to keep the space feeling harmonious and cohesive. Let's talk furniture. In a small urban apartment, multifunctional furniture is not just a choice, it's a necessity. Look for pieces that serve double duty. Think of a sleek sofa bed that turns your living room into an instant guest bedroom, or a stylish ottoman that offers hidden storage while acting as a coffee table. Another smart addition is a foldable dining table that expands when you're hosting dinner but fits snugly against the wall for day-to-day use. These versatile furniture choices are essential for maintaining that chic, clutter-free look in a compact space. And now, let's infuse your space with personality. Your apartment should be a reflection of you, your tastes, your memories, and your unique style. Add some lush greenery with a few well-placed plants to bring life and freshness into your home. Maybe it's a quirky lamp, a treasured rug, or that vintage vase you scored at a flea market. These personal touches make your apartment not just a place to live, but a place to love. In a small urban space, the right lighting can make a world of difference. Layer your lighting with a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Use floor lamps to brighten dark corners, install under-cabinet lighting in the kitchen, and add pendant lights or wall sconces to create visual interest. Mirrors are another fantastic trick. Strategically placing mirrors opposite windows can bounce natural light around the room, making the space feel larger and more open. many urban apartments, open layouts are common, and while they offer a sense of spaciousness, they can also present a design challenge. The key to a successful open layout is defining zones for different activities. Use rugs, furniture arrangements, and even color changes to visually separate your living, dining, and sleeping areas. Let's talk about creating an urban oasis, a space that not only looks stylish but also feels like a retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. Incorporate natural elements like wood, stone, and plants to bring a touch of the outdoors inside. Soft textiles like plush throw blankets, cozy rugs, and cushioned seating add warmth and comfort. And don't forget about scent. Candles, essential oils, and diffusers can create a calming atmosphere, making your apartment a true sanctuary. And there you have it, our top tips for compact and chic urban apartment styling. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found these tips helpful, and subscribe to Dreamscape Designs for more home styling inspiration. As always, share your own ideas and transformations in the comments below. We love seeing how you make your spaces your own. Cheers!